Good day, sir. My name is Padamosi Damola from the Department of Business Administration, and my group and I will be talking on topic information system and people today. So when we are talking about information simply means processed data. So information system means the processes and all those inputs put into businesses. That means the hardware and the software. When we're talking about the hardware, we mean the computers, the mobile phones, the monitors, the printers. When we're talking about software, we mean like the operating system of the phone or data and information put into the hardware in order to facilitate and create a good working environment for the staffs and the people. So now we are going to be relating information systems to the people. And I'll be talking about examples of information system. We have the data warehouses. The data warehouses talks about where the data is stored. That means where the data are kept for when they are needed by the organization. We also have the enterprise systems. This means the combination, like basically joining together the hardware and the software needed. We are talking about the expert systems. The expert systems means the AI, that means artificial intelligence, put in place in the organizations for easy running of the business. Information system has made communication better and easier since we can just be at home and we talk to our colleagues through the monitor and through the internet. We have number 2, more effective daily operations. Information system has made the operations of an organization easier through internet and global resources system. We have better customer experience. Information system has also helped in decision making through the creation of AI, artificial intelligence. There are some certain decisions that we human beings can make normally, but through the use of artificial intelligence, it has made it easier and quicker to make some certain decisions. And lastly, we have storage of data. We can store our data into hardware or iCloud or Dropbox or wherever and just go back to it later. Instead of writing it somewhere and looking for it later, we can just go back to it anytime we want and access it.
Good day, sir. My name is Emmanuel Isidore of Business Administration, and I'm going to be talking about the comparison of data, information, and knowledge. Now, data in a simplest form consists of raw alphanumeric values, while information is created with data processed, organized, and structured. Knowledge, basically, in its own definition, is what we know. Now, another comparison can also be the fact that data refers to individual facts and pieces of information. Information refers to data and facts that are assembled and analyzed and to its own meaning and its own usefulness. Knowledge can also be, in its own way, symptoms of information. Why so? Because knowledge is basically, like I said earlier, what we know. Data, information, and knowledge. Any describable object, narrative, and discourse that has universal value and no meaning can be described as data. When the data has been put in some context, it attains meaning, which now turns that particular data into information. While knowledge, the last one, is the control over. Control over in the sense that it has control over actionable information. Now, comparing data, information, and knowledge. Data can be any describable object, narrative, or discourse that has got any universal value but no meaning. This is because data is can be an alphanumeric information. Now, information is this data that has been processed, the context of that data that has been processed to attain a meaning. That is now what changes data into information. Final and but not least, knowledge, which has control over actionable information. It entails that taking a decision on a particular information is what is known as knowledge. Thank you, sir.
Good day, sir. I'm here to talk. My name is Inyola Olaniyo. I'm here to talk about the components of information system. There are 4 basically. You have people, technology, data, and processes. The first one, people. People, we have the design, development, launch, and maintenance of any information system. Involve teams of people. Different people play different parts of roles, such as analysts, liaisons, users, customers, contributors, innovative ideas. Ideas comes from every level, provided that the organization's culture openly encourages people to think. 2. Technology. Information technology includes hardware, software, telecommunications, anything capable of collecting, processing, storing, displaying electronic data is potentially part of an information system. Software ranges from the code needed to boot up a computer to program artificial intelligence and their learning capabilities. Speaking about telecommunication, the main role of telecommunication component is to move electronic signal from one place to another through route traffic, eliminate noise, increase security, analyze traffic pattern, and all of that. This infrastructure includes wired and wireless transmission. Process is on how information should be handled from input to output, and especially how the information system will support the process. Data are raw facts that can present themselves in different variety, shapes, or form.
My name is Charles Sampson. I'm the Department of Business Administration. I'm here to provide examples of how business, non-profit government managers, as well as the Information Technology Department depend on information system knowledge. Okay, firstly, I would like to emphasize more on information system in business. Information system underlines most of the business activities and process that thread their way through every functional business needs, from the hierarchy to the low hierarchy in the business environment. Everyone uses email, cell phones, and internet, and most of them also rely on the many information systems that support the company's business processes. A strategic initiative are used in this business that supports the company's streaming process, reduce cost, and increase revenue. Okay, inside the IT department. The IT department is a business unit that is responsible for planning, managing, and supporting information system in any organization. It is called information technology. There are also a group of specialized individuals that oversees different areas of information system and technology in an organization. How do they do it? Okay, they take information from the CEO, head of department in an organization, and they transfer it to different parts of the organization by emails, memos, and so on.
So my name is David Ubujebe. I'm from Department of Business Administration. I'll be talking on how information system will affect business careers. Success in today's job market requires a broad set of skills. Job candidates must have problem-solving skills as well as technical skills so that they can complete specific tasks. Careers like accountants increasingly rely on information system to summarize transactions, create financial records, organize data, and perform financial analysis. Also, finance, relationship between information system and financial management and services is so strong that may advise financial majors or co-majors in information system. Also, marketing, operations management, and services and manufacturing. For instance, now production managers and administrative service managers also rely on information system to manage the affairs of the organization. The job of management has been transformed by information system, and so far so good. It's impossible to manage business today without information system. Thank you.